Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make Musakhan rolls updated. Preheat your oven to 425 F and prepare thin flatbread. Caramelize onions slowly in olive oil until deeply golden and sweet. Season shredded chicken with generous sumac, salt, and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Toast pine nuts until fragrant and fold them into the mix. Keep ingredients warm and assemble rolls tightly before baking until start by gathering your ingredients. Chicken, a good amount of ground sumac, plenty of olive oil, and thin flatbread. Caramelize onions slowly to develop sweetness that offsets the sumac tang. Toast pine nuts and reserve them to add crunch at the end. If using bone-in chicken, roast it first and shred. For speed, use pre-cooked shredded chicken and fold it with the onion mixture. Keep components warm for easier assembly. Lay a flatbread on a clean surface and spread a warm layer of onion and chicken across the center. Sprinkle toasted pine nuts over the filling, then roll the bread tightly like a cigar to avoid leaks. Place rolls seam side down on a baking tray, brush lightly with olive oil, and bake at 425 F until golden and crisp. Let cool briefly before slicing so the filling sets and you get neat servings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.